Meta, the company that is behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is rolling out new paid subscription plans. Here is a breakdown of what it means for you. All these years, you used the apps for free and Meta used your data for advertising. This will change. It means Meta will no longer rely only on advertisements for its revenue, thus making a significant evolution in its business model. Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp will now have paid subscription options, and this will be globally rolled out. Let's see what these plans will mean for you. For $3.99 a month, Instagram Plus users will get extended visibility of stories beyond 24 hours and the ability to preview stories anonymously. Facebook Plus, also $3.99 a month, will give paid users advanced audience analytics, extended profile customization, and tools to improve content reach. WhatsApp Plus will be for $2.99 a month. Features include custom chat themes, unique ringtones, additional pinned chats, and exclusive premium stickers. Now the big question: what happens if you don't pay? The big reassurance from Meta is that the free versions will continue as they are now. If you choose not to subscribe, your experience will remain exactly as it is today. Nothing will change. Meta is also planning a new, more advanced system that's focused heavily on artificial intelligence. It'll be called Meta One. The idea is all the advanced features will be under Meta One. The testing is already on. Meta One Plus will be for $7.99 a month, and Meta One Premium will be for $19.99 a month. These plans will offer users a thinking mode for deeper reasoning besides expanded tools for generating high-quality images and videos. Remember, Meta Verified is different. If you're already paying for the blue checkmark for identity protection and customer support, that service remains separate. So, why this change after years of offering free services? Well, basically it will allow Meta to diversify its income streams, ensuring that it is not solely dependent on advertising market. Meta also says that these additional revenue will help it fund investment in AI infrastructure. But it will all boil down to whether features like custom WhatsApp themes or anonymous Instagram story viewing is worth a few dollars a month. It will all depend on the users. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please do follow and subscribe so that you don't miss similar explanatory and informative newsy videos.